Good morning to all. In this lecture, we are discussing floral characters and description of the floral characters of Echeiranthus aspera belonging to family Amaranthaceae. First, we discuss some field recognition characters of family Amaranthaceae. They are mostly herbs, dense or congested inflorescence, flowers small with dry scarious bracts, stamens connate, at least at the base, fruit article or capsule. And the systematic position of the family Amaranthaceae is monoclemidy or apetally curve embryo. This is also known as Amaranthus family or pigweed family. Some selected Indian genera are Echeiranthus, Alternanthera, Amaranthus, Celosia, Digera, Gomphrena, and Papelia. Gomphrena is a ornamental species of Amaranthaceae. Now we are started discussing this Amaranthus, Echeiranthus aspera. Common name is Latjira or Chirchita. This is flowering twig, a flower, LS flower, two stamens and staminodes. This is stamens and staminodes. This is PS ovary and this is floral diagram of flower. This is a wild perennial herb, taproot, branched, herbaceous but stem is herbaceous but woody below, erect, branched, cylindrical, solid, angular, hairy, longitudinally serrated. Nodes and internodes are very prominent, green but violet or pink at nodes. Leaf, ramel and colline, simple X stipulate, opposite decusate. See the arrangement. Ovate or obovate, entire, acute or acuminate, hairy all over, and with unicosted reticulate venation. So these are vegetative characters of the flower of the plant, that is Echeiranthus aspera. Inflorescence is a spike with reflexed flowers arranged on long peduncle. This is inflorescence, a spike with reflexed flowers arranged on long peduncle. Flower is bracteate, bracteolate, bracteoles 2, shorter than perianth, dry, membranous and persistent, sessile, it is complete, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, pentamerous, hypogynous, small, spinescent and green in color. Perianth, tepal 5, polyphylous, imbricate or penquential, green, ovate to oblong and they are persistent. Androecium, stamens 10, out of which 5 are fertile and 5 are scale-like fimbriated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamens are fertile and these alternate to these fertile stamens, 5 stamens are sterile or converted into staminodes. Both alternating with each other, I say. Fertile stamens are antiphylous. Yes, these are fertile stamens are antiphylous. Monoadelphous filaments slightly fused at the base. They are dithecous, dorsifixed or versatile intros. Gynoecium is bicarpellary. Syncarpus superior, unilocular, ovule 1 with basal placentation, style single and filiform and stigma is capitate. Stigma is capitate. This is gynoecium, this is ovary, style, and stigma. Fruit is oblong article and seed is endospermic with curved embryo. Floral formula: brec- bracteate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, perianth 5 free, stamens, androecium 5 plus 5, but 5 fertile and 5 in converted into staminodes, gynoecium, bicarpary, syncarpus, and superior. Now we come to the identification and systematic position. Seeds enclosed within the ovary wall. Presence, that is angiosperms, presence of two cotyledons, reticulate venation and pentamerous flowers, belongs to dicotyledons. Then presence of perianth. It is the character of monoclinidy. Embryo curve embryo. Opposite decussate egg stipulate leaves, stamens antiphylous, ovary small, very small inconspicuous flowers, and fruit is article are the characters of family Amaranthaceae. And now we come to the genus, that is Acanthus. Inflorescence spike with many reflexed flowers and five fimbriated staminodes alternated with the fertile stamens. These are the characters of Acanthus. So this is the all about this description of the Echeiranthus aspera. Now we come to the phylogeny or affinities of this family. Amaranthaceae was differently placed under series curve embryo by Bentham and Hooker, in Centospermi by Engler and Prantl, in Chenopodiax by Hutchinson, Thorney, and Caryophyllens by Takhtajan and Cronquist. Bentham and Hooker divided Amaranthaceae into three tribes, that is Psilocybe, Amaranthi, and Gomphrinae. The family is closely related to Chenopodiaceae, from which it differs in having dry and membranous perianth, quite conspicuous and scarious bract and bracteoles, and usually connect stamens. Hutchinson opened that Amaranthaceae evolved from Caryophyllaceous ancestors. So this is the phylogenetic description of the family Amaranthaceae. Thank you.